Hello everyone, in this video we will compare NextAuth and Auth.js. NextAuth.js and Auth.js are essentially the same library but with a rebranding. NextAuth.js was the original name when it focused on authentication for Next.js applications. As the library grew beyond just Next.js support, it was renamed to Auth.js to reflect its broader usage across different frameworks like SvelteKit, Nuxt, and others. NextAuth.js is still often referred to when working specifically with Next.js, and it remains fully compatible. It provides built-in support for OAuth, email or password, social logins like Google and GitHub, GWTs, and session handling. It's easy to set up and highly customizable, and is ideal for Next.js users. Auth.js, on the other hand, is a new branding that encompasses support for multiple JavaScript frameworks beyond Next.js. It continues to offer all the features of NextAuth.js but expands its flexibility with adapters and providers for various environments. If you're building a project with Next.js, using the NextAuth.js documentations and setup is still common and perfectly valid. But if you're working in a different framework or want to future-proof your authentication layer, it's better to revert to its as Auth.js. So it's not about one being better, they're the same library, just under different names depending on the context. Auth.js is simply the broader, more framework-agnostic evaluation of NextAuth.js. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.